This is a new house. However, prior to closing, the builder does not allow me to go on the roof or open the electrical panel. So the client has hired me after they have closed on the property to inspect the roof. Here we have some buckled shingles. You can see these shingles are buckling here, here. This is a valley. This gets a very high concentration of, look at this buckle right here, of water. Okay, see how I can push that down? There's no, the cement under the shingle has not adhered. We live in a hurricane region. Winds will pick this shingle up, tear it off, and then we have water intrusion. Here's another one here. These buckled shingles are present throughout most of the roof, primarily towards, here's some more right here. Okay, see, I can press this down, primarily towards the front of the roof. Oh, let me get back to this valley. We had a few more that were present in this valley. Again, this is a high concentration of water. All the water from these two gable ends merge the valley. And here we have some more buckling. Okay. All right, let's head over towards the front of the structure. Now keep in mind, a home inspector is not required to walk a roof. This house was inspected with a camera on a pole. These defects are not visible with the camera on a pole. Here we have a shingle that has been repaired with roofing cement. Okay, so you can't repair new shingles with roofing cement. Again, look at all the buckled shingles. Here, they're easy to see from here. Buckled, buckled. That big one right there. Right over here. High winds will easily pick this up and tear it off. Okay, so what I have requested is the roofer go through the entire roof and replace shingles like this. Okay, big buckle here. See that? Again, this is in a valley, lots of water, brand new